Did you wake up feeling stiff, tight, or achy in your back and shoulders? If that's a yes, then this routine is for you. Today, we're diving into a 5-minute spinal mobility and energy boost. The perfect way to wake up your body, release tension, and feel fully refreshed before the day even begins. We're focusing on spinal flexibility, deep breathing, and full body mobility to help you feel looser, lighter, and more energized. No equipment is needed for this one, just your mat and a little bit of space to move. You can do this anywhere, your bedroom, living room, or even outdoors for an extra energy boost. Here's the plan. We'll start with a gentle spinal warm-up in cat-cow. Move into cobra and downward dog for deep back and hamstring release. And finish with sphinx pose to open the chest and reset your posture. Most people rush into their day without taking care of their body, but not you. You're here, showing up, and that's already a win. Give yourself a high five. Let's go. By the end of this routine, I promise you'll feel looser, stronger, and more awake. Let's hit the mat. We're starting in cat-cow, the ultimate spinal wake-up call. If you've been feeling stiff in the morning, this move will instantly bring life back into your back. Start on all fours, with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you drop your belly. Lift your chest and tilt your tailbone up, cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine. Tuck your chin and press through your hands, cat pose. Move slowly and fluidly for 1 minute, syncing your breath with your movement. This stretch improves spinal mobility, relieves back stiffness, and enhances circulation. I promise by the end, you'll feel loose and ready to move. Beginners can keep their movements slow and small if your back feels tight. Advanced stretches deepen the arch and curve for a more intense stretch. Now that we've warmed up the spine, let's move into cobra stretch to open the chest and lengthen the back. Time to open up your chest and shake off that morning sluggishness. If you've been hunched over your phone or desk, this is your reset button. Lie face down with your palms under your shoulders. Inhale as you press through your hands, lifting your chest off the mat. Keep your elbows slightly bent and shoulders relaxed away from your ears. Hold for a few seconds, then exhale and slowly lower down. Repeat for 1 minute, flowing up and down with your breath. This stretch opens the chest, strengthens the spine, and improves posture. I promise you'll feel more open and refreshed by the end. For beginners, keep your elbows bent and only lift halfway. If you need more of a challenge, straighten your arms fully for a deeper back bend. Now let's flow between child's pose and cobra for an even deeper stretch. This is where we take it up a notch. We're moving between child's pose and cobra, creating a fluid, energizing stretch that feels amazing on your spine. Start in child's pose, sitting back on your heels with your arms stretched forward. Inhale as you shift forward into cobra, lifting your chest and arching your back. Exhale as you push back into child's pose, stretching through your lower back. Flow between these two poses for 1 minute, keeping it smooth and controlled. This movement increases spinal flexibility, relieves lower back tension, and boosts circulation. By the end, I promise you'll feel more mobile and awake. Beginners, move slowly and don't force the stretch. If you need more of a challenge, hold each position for an extra breath to deepen the stretch. Now that we've opened the spine, let's move into downward dog for a full body wake up. This stretch does it all: spine, hamstrings, shoulders, and more. If you need one move to wake up your entire body, this is it. Start in a high plank position, hands shoulder width apart. Lift your hips toward the sky, creating an inverted V shape. Press your heels toward the mat. It's okay if they don't touch. Keep your shins long and shoulders relaxed. Hold for 1 minute, paddling your feet if needed. This stretch decompresses the spine, lengthens the hamstrings, and strengthens the shoulders. I promise by the end, you'll feel taller, lighter, and more balanced. Beginners can bend their knees slightly if their hamstrings feel tight. If you need more of a challenge, hold for longer and actively push your heels toward the ground. Now, let's finish with Sphinx pose for a final posture reset. Let's end with a deep grounding stretch that resets your posture and leaves you feeling strong and open. Lie face down with your elbows under your shoulders and forearms on the mat. Press through your forearms, lifting your chest and keeping your elbows close to your ribs. Relax your shoulders and breathe deeply. Hold for 1 minute, focusing on opening the chest and releasing tension. This stretch improves posture, relieves lower back pain, and counteracts slouching. By the end, I promise you feel strong, open, and fully reset. Beginners can keep their elbows wider for more support. Advanced stretches push up into a deeper back bend for an extra challenge. I bet you're feeling great. If you want to keep the energy going, go check out the free gift I have for you in the description. It's going to help boost your energy, get rid of any lingering stiffness, and help you take control of your movement without leaving your desk. Trust me, you're going to love it. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.